Have you ever been to the beach? You may never see these rare natural phenomena in your life. Fifth, spherical lightning. This kind of lightning gathers into a bright ball of light, which usually appears only in thunderstorms. Its brightness is extremely high, about 40 centimeters in diameter. The motion of the spherical lightning is unstable, floating like a ghost, and can even enter your home through the window. This kind of lightning looks gentle, but it's actually very dangerous. Its internal temperature is extremely high, and electricity is emitted all over the place on the way. So far, people have not figured out the cause of its formation. Fourth, Death Ice Orb. The reason why it is called Death Ice Orb is that the place where it spreads can freeze the surrounding creatures instantly. It's very scary. This kind of ice orb occurs in the northern and southern hemispheres of the Earth. When the sea temperature drops to a few degrees below zero, the salt in the sea water will be absorbed. Because the salt absorbed is heavier than the sea water, the salt water will continue to sink and freeze. The ice orb will become longer and longer, and no grass will be left where it came from. Third, water dragon curl, which is what we call the dragon sucking water. But few people have actually seen this kind of scene with their own eyes. Water dragon curl is actually the dragon wind on the surface of the water. Its top is connected to the thunder cloud, and its bottom is directly extended to the surface of the water. The wind speed of the internal rotation is even more than 200 km per hour, and the sea water is constantly sucked into the air. Water dragon curl is not only extremely strong, but also lasts a long time. They usually appear in groups on the sea. Sometimes it can even reach 7. The scene is quite shocking. Second, muddy cloud. When this kind of cloud appears, it's like the sky is going to collapse. But if you look closely, you will find that it is actually very beautiful. They are like cotton candy, covering the entire sky. But under its gentle appearance, it lurks in danger. This kind of cloud is formed at the bottom of an ordinary cloud, often accompanied by extremely bad weather, and may even have hail and storm. First, glacier. There is a Mars Tide, which is a very romantic but extremely rare sea organ. It has only appeared in a few countries in the world. It is actually caused by countless floating creatures with blue light. When they are distracted by external pressure, they will emit blue light. Walking along the beach like this, it's like falling into a blue galaxy. It's very beautiful. But beautiful things are often dangerous. A few days later, the fish and shrimp here will die from lack of oxygen,